The current price of Bitcoin SV is approximately $37,100 per coin, which is significantly higher than the previous day's closing price of $37.0900. The exchange rate range for buying Bitcoin SV at present is between $36.6400 and $37.9200, indicating a substantial increase of $0.0100 or 0.03% in the value of Bitcoin SV when compared to the United States dollar. The anticipated value of Bitcoin SV in the near future and the expected cost of Bitcoin SV on Monday, July 31st, is $35.98, which is likely to be the highest price. The value of $38.50 can be seen as the minimum amount, with $33.46 being the lowest possible value that can be discreetly observed. On Tuesday, August 1st, the price of Bitcoin SV reached a significant high of $36.18. The value of $38.71 is significantly lower than the average, indicating a deviation of 33 points. This deviation of 65 points from the mainstream perspective suggests a contrasting viewpoint. On Wednesday, August 2nd, the projected cost of Bitcoin SV is expected to reach a maximum value of $35.57. The value of $38.06 is notably the smallest, while $33.08 is quite impressive. On Thursday, August 3rd, the estimated cost of Bitcoin SV reached a maximum of $38.25. The amount of $40.93 is essentially leased in a significantly substantial manner of $35.57. The projected price of Bitcoin SV on Friday, August 4th, is expected to reach a maximum value of 37.45 units. On Monday, August 7th, the price of Bitcoin SV had a little increase, reaching a peak of 40.07 and subsequently settling at 34.83 over the course of a week. However, it is important to note that these fluctuations were not significant and the highest price observed during this period was 38.18. The amount of 40.85 is generally leased in a modest manner, with a sum of 35.51. On Tuesday, August 1st, the anticipated price of Bitcoin SV reached a maximum of $36.87. The value of $39.45 is indeed the minimum, whereas $34.29 is truly the lowest, despite the prevailing beliefs. On Wednesday, August 2nd, the price of Bitcoin SV reached a peak of $37.60, representing its highest value at that time. In a somewhat notable manner, the amount of 40.23 is generally leased at a rate of 34.97. The projected price of Bitcoin SV on Thursday, August 3rd, is estimated to be $34.67, which is considered to be the highest value. The figure of 37.10, particularly in relation to the lease amount of approximately 32.24, was expressly considered by the individuals involved. On Friday, August 4th, the estimated cost of Bitcoin SV was recorded at 34.78, indicating a highly significant value. The value of 37.21 is undoubtedly more than the value of 32.35, which may be considered significantly large within a span of approximately 14 days. The projected price of Bitcoin SV on Monday, August 7th, is estimated to range between 34.46 and 36.87. With a minimum expected value of approximately 32.05, according to prevailing opinions. On Tuesday, August 8th, the price of Bitcoin SV reached a significant value of 33.32, which may be considered as the highest observed during that period. The value of 35.65 was considered to be relatively lower than about 30.99, as per their tentative assessment. The projected price of Bitcoin SV on Wednesday, August 9th, is expected to be 33.72, which is the highest possible value. The value of 36.08 demonstrates an exceptional level of significance, surpassing a minimum threshold of 31.36 in a truly meaningful manner. On Thursday, August 10th, the price of Bitcoin SV reached a peak of 32.48, representing its highest value. The leasing amount of 34.75 demonstrates a notable impact in a major manner, alongside the additional amount of 30.21. The anticipated price of Bitcoin SV on Friday, August 11th, was approximately $31.61, which can be considered the highest value. The value of 33.82 is undoubtedly the minimum, as compared to 29.40, which can be considered significantly crucial throughout a span of 3 weeks. On Monday, August 14th, the price of Bitcoin SV reached a significant high of 32.15, indicating a noteworthy value in its underlying fundamentals. On Tuesday, August 15th, the cost of Bitcoin SV ranged from a minimum of 29.90 to a maximum of 34.40. However, it is worth noting that the price reached a peak of 34.19 and a low of 29.71. Moving on to Wednesday, August 16th, the price of Bitcoin SV was predicted to be around 30.74, with a potential maximum value. On Monday, August 7th, the price of Bitcoin SV reached a peak of 38.18, demonstrating a significant increase from its initial value of 28.59, with a notable rise of 32.89%. On Thursday, August 17th, the Bitcoin SV cost was observed to be around 28.84, with a minimum value of 26.82 and a maximum value of 30.86. Similarly, on Friday, August 18th, the Bitcoin SV cost was estimated to be around 27.51, with a minimum value of 25.58 and a maximum value of 29.44. These fluctuations in the Bitcoin SV cost over a span of a month. Specifically on Monday, August 21st, where the cost was approximately 28.15, are of significant importance. The lease agreement is aesthetically pleasing, exhibiting qualities of beauty. The value of 26.18 is significantly large in magnitude. On Tuesday, August 22nd, the price of Bitcoin SV reached a significant high of 31.89. The lease of 34.12 and the amount of 29.66 are significantly divergent from prevailing conventional thought. The current exchange rate for United States dollars to Bitcoin SV, BSV, is approximately 0.0270 coins per $1. This rate has remained relatively stable, with a slight fluctuation between 0.0264 and 0.0273 in recent times. Based on this information, the projected cost of Bitcoin SV on Wednesday, August 9th is estimated to be around 33.72, which is considered to be the highest value. The current exchange rate for United